Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the day 8 of my celebrating the International Women's Day with Born Pretty products, and today is the International Women's Day. Happy International Women's Day, ladies. We love you. Thank you for being a confidant, a friend, a teacher, a counselor, a mom, a mother. Thank you. We love you. So I'll be creating another beautiful set today, and I'm going to be infusing gold flakes into today's design. Right now I'm applying my base coat. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds before I start applying the main gel base gel color. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademide Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So recently I created an affiliate account with Born Pretty, and we're supposed to create a video or 12 videos to celebrate International Women's Day. So upload it on our YouTube channel, and also drop the affiliate website link in the description box so that you can click on the link to buy whatever you want to buy on their website at discounted prices. So I'm going to be leaving my own link in the description box, and also my discount code or my coupon code, so you can get discounts on whatever item you pick. So I've done the second coat of this, and I'm going to apply the first coat of the jelly nude. I told you a lot of women really liked the jelly nude, and I'm sure it's going to finish very soon. So I started with a coat of the jelly nude. I wanted to do a coat, but at the end of the day it was a little bit too transparent, so I decided to go in with the second coat, and before I started my design. Thank you for watching my videos from day 1 till today. I really appreciate it. God bless you all. So I'm going to be playing a song for you today to celebrate the International Women's Day. The original song was by Simi, a Nigerian musician, and the cover song that I'll be using today is by Christy Ini, a YouTuber based in the UK. So I'm going to be leaving a channel link in the description box so you can check it out if you like the song. So thank you once again for watching. I'll talk to you again in my next video, which is tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed.
Woman don't suffer, oh, lower everybody. Suffer for what? Amen. Rejoice for heaven. Money no like woman, woman no like woman. She no be like water. You no get anything. If woman never marry, oh, then she no be woman. If woman never carry on more, yeah, she no be woman. If she no get him out for side, them gonna push woman aside, and eventually, oh, them go suffer. Oh yeah, deliberate and celebrate, show our love today, no need to hate her. See, let's appreciate and celebrate, show our love today and every day, listen, I never talk it finish, I never talk it finish, I never talk, I never talk finish, I know they even start to talk, now so submission, oh, share we get assignment. But you know, pay attention, no, to the intimidation she they face. No be like water. You know if woman get confidence, so then she no be woman. Woman get money, one last share money. She no be woman. If she no got him man for side, then gonna push woman aside, and eventually, oh.